In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a product using Zoho CRM in n8n. If you're building automations and want to add products into your Zoho CRM workflow quickly and efficiently, this is a simple process you can follow inside n8n. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more n8n automation walkthroughs. Let's get straight into it. First, open the workflow you want to use in n8n. Make sure you're inside the correct automation where you want this product creation step to happen. This is important because the node you add will run as part of that specific workflow, so always start by checking that you're editing the right one. Next, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add new steps to your automation. In the search bar or node list, find Zoho CRM. Once you see it, select it to add it into your workflow. This node gives you access to Zoho CRM actions directly from n8n, which makes it easy to connect your automation with your CRM data. After adding the Zoho CRM node, look at the available actions and choose Create a Product. This is the option you need when you want n8n to create a new product record inside Zoho CRM. Once you select it, the node will switch to the product creation setup, so you can define exactly what information should be sent. Now it's time to configure what to create. Fill in the required product fields based on the data you want to push into Zoho CRM. Depending on your setup, this may include the product name, description, price, SKU, or any other product details that your workflow needs. Map the values from your earlier nodes if you're pulling data from a form, webhook, spreadsheet, or another app. The goal here is to make sure the product is created with the correct information every time the workflow runs. Once everything is configured, review the node settings carefully to make sure the fields are matched properly. Check that the product data is going into the correct place and that nothing important is missing. After that, save your workflow and test it to confirm that the product is being created in Zoho CRM the way you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a product using Zoho CRM in n8n by opening your workflow, adding the Zoho CRM node, choosing Create a Product, and configuring the fields to create. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next n8n tutorial.